Hey love, so your girl's back with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all my makeup kit. What do I keep with me in my makeup kit, and like my whole little setup. So I'm gonna be showing y'all. So I have two bags. So this is one bag that I carry. So this bag I have my alcohol. Like you gotta stay on deck with alcohol. I don't bring like both of these. I have one already. I just have it in there for now. So I keep alcohol. You gotta keep alcohol spray inside your bag, and this is 70%, but I also have 91%. So this one I just have a little bit left. I'm gonna finish, and I normally would like to use 91% alcohol because we can't play. Like, I'm that makeup artist that I'm sanitizing and cleaning everything, because that's important as a makeup artist. You gotta be sanitary, because not only can you get sued, but you don't want to be responsible for anybody catching any diseases or anything. Like, no. And that's gonna mess up your name, and just no, don't be nasty, okay? But yeah, so and then so I'm showing you guys everything that I keep in this bag. So I carry two bags, well, three plus my ring light. And I also have this. I got this from Amazon. Disposables, a kit of disposables. So wands, lip wands, mascara wands, eyeliner wands. And I keep it in here because it's like more organized and sanitary. I keep it inside the plastic. And then I also keep this inside that bag. This is my brush belt. This is a little mini one. But this is what I also keep in there. This is like my second set of brushes that I have, because my brush case, I have brushes in there also, just until I get a brush bag, because I do want to get a bag that I seen on Amazon where you can keep your brushes, a clear bag. So I want to get that so I can fit more things inside my makeup kit. And then this is my lash bag. So I keep all my lashes, fan, scissors, tweezers in there. And then I also keep a roll of paper towels. You gotta have a roll of paper towels on you for multiple reasons. I like to lay out the paper towels on the table, so you don't mess up people's table or wherever you're putting, laying down your makeup, and also to clean your brushes and stuff. So that's everything that I keep inside this bag. As you can see, lashes, this, and then that's this bag. Now let me show y'all the big boy, the big guns. So this is my makeup case. I'll put everything in the description box below. I'll put the link to this on there, but this is the bag. So I guess since this side is open, let's talk about this side. So this side, this is not even half of my palettes, because I have so many makeup palettes, but these are just a few good soft glam palettes, and some also color palettes if anybody wants like more color. But I do weddings. Like, I've been in my bridal bag right now, so these are like a lot of palettes that's good for soft glams, nice, soft, cute for weddings. I'll tell you a few. So I have some Morphe palettes. I have Huda Beauty palettes. You gotta have your Julia Place palettes in your kit. Bobbi Brown. I have Morphe. Like, I love Morphe. Like, Morphe palettes. I've had them for so long. This one I love because this is like transition color land. So for all skin colors. So that's another thing. These palettes, they're for all skin colors. And I just added this palette to my collection, a Pat McGrath palette, because baby, invest in your kit. And palettes last forever. Like, this palette, her palettes this size is $128, but I'll tell you, they're worth it. Pat McGrath, like, you will forever have my money. Like, you will forever be inspiring to me. Let me not, oh wait, let me just like get into the details of this palette. I know it's like a little dirty, it got fingerprints on it, but baby, like, baby, I just can't wait to use this palette. Can't wait to use it. So that's my palette section. And so this is the other side. So the other side, this is like my skin prep. So I have like a toner in there. This is the Bobbi Brown toner, a hydrating toner. I love that toner, like especially not even just for it does wonders for dry skin, but not only dry skin, it also does wonders just cleaning. Like it's basically, I like to use toners to make sure I'm getting all the dirts and oils off of my client's skin before I apply any products on it. So then I have this, the Got To Be. I love this for the brows. Like this is gonna keep their brows on like the whole night plus more, okay? Like if you wanna sleep with your brows, like your brows are not gonna move. So that, and then I can't have it. I cannot not have this in my kit. Like I need to have this in my kit. Like every makeup artist, you need the Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base. And I'm not just saying it because I work for Bobbi Brown, because like I have a lot of Bobbi Brown stuff, but like I only get the Bobbi Brown stuff that I actually like. And this, like even before started working for the brands, I had this in my kit. Like this is that girl. This is gonna grip their makeup. And this is just another palette, a face palette from Bobbi Brown. This is basically face. This is the face. This is face. The other side we did is the eyes. So I have like y'all, if you don't have this in your kit, like makeup artist to makeup artist, the Bobbi Brown Sheer Finishing Press Powder in the shade Pale Yellow or Soft Sand, whatever. It doesn't matter what shade it is, but you need the Bobbi Brown Sheer Press Powder in your kit. When I say it blurs their face, it blurs. Like I got all the girlies on my job using this. Like I'm telling y'all, get it. And this is blush, my liquid blush. Juvia's Place, of course. I have a lot of Juvia's Place. And then this is my setting spray section. So I have the Urban Decay, the Charlotte Tilbury. Now, I am gonna add some more setting sprays to my kit. Like I have about 3 setting sprays, but there's some more that I've been doing some research. Like I want to add one size in my kit, and then I heard the L'Oreal setting spray is good. So I definitely want to have a variety, and I also need to get some matte setting sprays. Even though this one is like for all skin types, but I also want to get a matte because I just have for all skin types setting sprays. Now this section here is blushes and some highlights. So I have some Bobbi Brown blushes and Bobbi Brown highlights. This, y'all, like this is a eyeshadow, but you can use it as eyeshadow, body glitter. This Bobbi Brown, man, I feel like this video is like sponsored by Bobbi Brown. Like Bobbi Brown, like I work for your company. Why don't you just add me to your PR list? Because, you know, I live for Bobbi Brown. Like I live for this. I love this, y'all. Like let me show you. You see that? And like this is like the perfect eyeshadow topper. So literally if it's black, brown, it doesn't matter what color the eyeshadow is, and it's matte, you can put this on top to give it some poof. Now this section is my bronzers section. So I have some Bobbi Brown bronzers, some Pat McGrath. Y'all, I actually just got this new Pat McGrath bronzer. I love this one. Like, let me show y'all. I love her bronzers. And like blend into the skin like butter. Because you know some bronzers, like they don't, it gives patchy. This doesn't give patchy. So this shade is Desert Glow. I love it. 10 out of 10. And I don't play about my bronzers. Like, the reason most of my bronzers are Bobbi Brown, because I love their color range of bronzers, because a lot of bronzers, I feel like they make it too muddy. And like, I hate a muddy bronzer. Like, come on, look at their undertone. You're doing a cool tone bronzer if they're not cool undertone. Like, so I'm very picky about my bronzers. But anyways, so I have the Pat McGrath, Bobbi Brown, and the Black Radiance palette. Another palette I want to add to my kit, face palette, is the Makeup Forever, because I heard that palette is tea. So, and that palette is $89, okay? And the thing is, like, they have two colors. And I think they have, like, light to tan, or light to I think light to tan, and then tan to dark to deep. So, like, I just can't have just one palette. Like, I need both palettes, because I do all skin types. I do from lightest light to darkest dark. It don't matter. I know how to do anybody's makeup. So this bag is a bag for all skin types and all skin colors. Now, let's go to this section. This is where my other brushes went. So this is my other set of brushes. Like I said, this is the reason why I want a brush bag, because I could fit so much more. Because, like, your girl's running out of space, because I'm still adding to my makeup kit. And like I said, I have another makeup kit that's on wheels, and that has makeup in it too. So I really need to put these brushes in a bag so that I can have more room to fit things. But anyways, let me stop talking so much. So these are my brushes. These are where I keep my lip liners, eyeshadow sticks. This is brows and eyeliners. And then also you gotta have the clips so you can keep the hair out the way. So this is everything. So this is where I keep my foundation. So I have some Estee Lauder, Maybelline Fit Me. Maybelline Fit Me will always be that girl. Bobbi Brown's foundations, 10 out of 10. And I keep my mascaras, a couple of eyeliners. So I have like this is not all the mascaras, this is just the main ones I like to use. So this is the It's Cosmetics Superhero, Bobbi Brown. Y'all, I need to get a big size of that Fenty Beauty mascara. When I tell you, it makes your lashes lash. It makes your lashes lash. Because when I took off these lashes, the false lashes, and I, was like, let my lashes breathe, my lashes was lashing, okay? And then also a pencil sharpener, because you need to be sharpening your lip pencils before using them. These are just some samples of the Bobbi Brown foundation colors. And this, you gotta have your sanitizer. I got sanitizer in my lash bag, and I have it in this bag. Sanitizer, and more moisturizers. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge moisturizer. This is really good, and it's for very dry skin. And this is the Clarins moisturizer. Gotta have this on deck. And this is a blush palette. And I also have some Q-tips. You gotta have the Q-tips on deck. Q-tips on deck. And these shadow shields. Love these. You know what else I want to put in my kit? I want to put some eye masks. Because like I said, I've been in my wedding bag. That's where the money is. That's where the money resides. 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 Okay? But yeah. So I want to get some eye patches, because I really want to provide a luxury experience, you know, like I've been doing this for 11 years, y'all. It's crazy. 11 years and I'm only 25. I've been do the math. I've been doing it since I was young, and I feel like I've grown so much. Like, yeah, anyways, that's besides the point. All right, let me not start talking because the video's already long. So now this is what I keep my powder puffs. I love a good powder puff. So this is my powder puff bag. Like I said, sanitation's key. Like, I don't want to just have these puffs laying out inside my kit, you know, because dust and everything. So keep things nice and sanitary and in bags and enclosed. So now this is my concealer section. So I have some Bobbi Brown concealers. I have cream concealer sticks. I'll show you. So I have cream. So you see how creamy it is, how creamy it goes on. But yeah, so I have creamy concealer sticks. These are, I have some eyeshadow base. You need some P. Louis in your kit. This is the MAC. This is the MAC base. You gotta have that in your kit too. And then I also have foundation sticks. So I do have some Bobbi Brown foundation sticks. Love me a good foundation stick. And now concealers, I have Bobbi Brown concealers. I have some different brands. Oh, I have the Fenty Beauty contour sticks. I have e.l.f. I don't know if you're new to my channel. I'm in love. Oh, this is Tarte. So I also got Tarte inside my kit. But this, the e.l.f. hydrating camo concealer, 10 out of 10. You know, I have some Too Faced concealers. I also want to get some more Too Faced concealers. And the lip products I have is different ones. NYX, Maybelline, Kylie, Fenty. I have a lot of Fenty. Bobbi Brown, of course. Yeah, so this is what's in my makeup kit. This, oh yeah, let me tell y'all too. So this is kind of like what's in my makeup kit slash like essentials you need inside your bag. This one size liquid eyeliner pen, you need it. Like, no questions asked, no buts, wows, hows, nothing. Get this in your kit. 10 out of 10. But yeah, so that's everything that's inside my makeup kit. And this, oh yeah, I forgot to show you. I keep this, y'all already know, this blue liquid gold. If you know, you know. If you don't, like, you should. So I'm gonna also put this inside my bio, but this is a very good brush cleaner and it's not cheap at all. It's very expensive for a little bottle that I'm gonna finish quickly, but it's definitely worth it. Yeah, so that's everything in my kit. That's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you guys want to see from me. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. And I love y'all. Bye.